Hello, I'm Dr. Annadale, and I teach philosophy at Mount St. Mary's University and Seminary in Emmitsburg, Maryland. Today, I want to talk about a post on the Wall Street Journal's leadership blog titled, "Why I Was Wrong About Liberal Arts Majors." It was written by David Kalt, a Chicago businessman, and was posted on June 1st, 2016. Over the course of a decade recruiting programmers for his companies, Kalt made a surprising discovery. The conventional wisdom that students with computer science and engineering backgrounds are uniquely qualified for programming jobs turns out to be wrong. Kalt writes, "Looking back at the tech teams I've built at my companies, it's evident that individuals with liberal arts degrees are by far the sharpest, best performing software developers and technology leaders. Often these modern techies have degrees in philosophy, history, and music, even political science, which was my degree." Kalt's explanation for this surprising result is that liberal arts programs form critical thinkers. He says, "Critical thinkers can accomplish anything. Critical thinkers can master French, Ruby on Rails, Python, or whatever future language comes their way. A critical thinker is a self-learning machine that is not constrained by memorizing commands or syntax." Kalt goes on to observe that many of the best programmers are, in fact, self-taught. They pick up new coding languages using their liberal arts-derived learning and contextualization skills. Now, good programmers do come from STEM backgrounds as well, but many of the liberal arts majors bring skills in problem solving and communication, what Kalt calls soft skills or people skills, that make them excellent at this job. Kalt suggests that tech hiring patterns should bend more to include more philosophy and English majors for the sake of stronger leadership in the field and a better economy. Kalt's findings parallel those of a Forbes magazine cover story from last year, "Revenge of the Philosophy Majors," which deals with the same topic, that liberal arts majors are turning out to be quite successful and thriving in Silicon Valley in tech fields. I'm, for myself, cautiously optimistic that articles like this indicate that the tide may be turning against the sneering denigration of the liberal arts and the overvaluing of STEM degrees as preparation for the job market. So I hope that the Marco Rubio welders moment has passed and we can begin an evidence-based conversation about the long-term benefits and costs and about the true value of formation in the liberal arts. That's my comment for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.